So I'm working on my 2006 Yukon today. It's like 24 degrees outside. It's freaking freezing. It's a Yukon XL. It's an 06. My heater hose connector broke right there. So my hands aren't small enough, so I had to take off the covers on all this stuff, which just taking time, and it's freaking cold out here. This is what it looks like new, and this is where it broke right here. Somehow you got to get back there and squeeze these in, these little tabs, and then pull it off. So if you got a GMC with heat in the rear, that's what you got to do. Have fun.